Hello guys, I am back with another kurta sets haul and this one is from Varanga. These are all solid kurta sets. So many of you keep asking me for those simple everyday outfits which are perfect for everyday wear to some special occasions, basically no-brainer outfits. So I thought let's do this solid kurta sets haul. Everything in this video is super wearable, super comfy and very me. Clean silhouettes, subtle detailing and colors you actually reach for in real life. So let's jump right in. Okay, so let's start with this set. This one is such a vibe. It is this gorgeous wine color kurta set with this delicate white embroidery on it. It is a kind of contrast which instantly look polished without even trying. The fabric is cotton blend, so it has that nice fall and bit of structure to it, but it still feels super soft and comfy on skin. So the kurta has nice deep V neckline and it is a straight kurta in panel design. And the best part, it has this inner fabric on the V neckline, so you get that deep V neckline effect without compromising on comfort. Now the sleeves are 3/4 in slightly flared design and they have this high-low design, so they feel instantly chic and stylish. Then there is this white color delicate embroidery on the neckline, on sleeve edges. Even the panels are separated with white lace trim detailing. So this white lace thing ties in the whole look together beautifully. The set comes with well-fitted, fully elasticated trousers. Trousers are ankle length, so they are very everyday friendly. Now I styled this look with my pearl jewelry, these earrings, and same pendant is also there. My new Atishri bracelet. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels and tote bag from Van Heusen. This one is super comfortable everyday look. It looks simple and elegant. This white delicate embroidery gives it slightly dressier feel, so you can wear it for family get-togethers also. Overall, very comfy vibe. Moving on to slightly more classic vibe. This gorgeous Varanga set in this classic grey color is such a winner. The fabric is cotton blend, so it has little bit of structure to it, while it is soft enough for all day wear. The kurta has pleated design with this flattering V neckline and 3/4 sleeves. This nice pleat detailing just below the neckline gives it a gentle flare. It is super breathable and super comfy outfit. This grey color itself is very office friendly and it looks very put together without trying too hard. It's a straight cut kurta with the calf length and straight hemline. Honestly, the whole look feels really timeless. The set comes with same grey color straight palazzos which are fully elasticated, so comfort is taken care of. Again, I styled this look with my favorite silver and pearl earrings, my new bracelet set from Amazon. For the footwear, my clear heels, and I finished this look with my Van Heusen tote bag. It is clean, classic and something you can wear on repeat. This next one has slightly dressier vibe. The moment I saw this on Myntra, I knew this is going straight to my Varanga haul. It's ombre dyed kurta set in this silk blend fabric, so it has subtle sheen and flow on it, which makes it look instantly elevated. It comes with mandarin collar and V-notch, very clean, very chic. The silhouette is straight, it's calf length with straight hemline and classic 3/4 sleeves. But the real hero here is this gorgeous green ombre. It blends so beautifully that it takes the whole look up a notch. There is also a subtle embroidery detail here on the shoulder which gives it that slightly dressier vibe without going overboard. Set also comes with ombre dyed palazzos which are fully elasticated, so comfort is guaranteed. Again, the ombre effect is same as kurta. It is going dark to light as you move down. Set comes with full lining, so there is no see-through drama and you can wear it stress-free. I styled this gorgeous look with these cute pearl jhumkis, this gold bracelet from Lily Origin. For the footwear, my clear heels, and I finished the look with my mini waist white bag. Such a simple outfit, but the ombre effect does all the talking. You can see how polished the whole look feels. Okay, the next look, the color itself does half the work. It's this stunning rush shade which instantly grabs attention. So rich, so warm, and honestly such a flattering everyday dressy color. It's made in silk blend fabric, so you get that subtle sheen on it, which makes it look little more elevated without being too formal. The kurta has mandarin collar with V-notch and the sleeves are real star here. Sleeves are long with this shirt style cuff and this gorgeous cutout detail. This sleeves give the set slightly more dressier vibe. Otherwise, it is a really clean silhouette with a straight cut. It is calf length with straight hemline. Simple silhouette, beautiful color, and these sleeves, perfect combo. The set comes with matching trousers which are fully elasticated, so comfort is guaranteed. I styled this gorgeous look with these cute pearl jhumkis, this gold bracelet from Lily Origin. For the footwear, my go-to must harbor heels, and again I finished this look with my Van Heusen tote bag. And you can see how this whole outfit comes together so beautifully and effortlessly. Moving on to another ombre dyed Varanga set. This one has such a fresh vibe. It is in that olive green combo, but the ombre effect is completely reversed from the earlier look. Here the lighter color sits on the top and it gradually deepens as you move down, which looks so calming and so eye-pleasing. The kurta has slightly feminine feel with its V neckline and long sleeves which has slight flare. There is also this gorgeous lace trim detailing given on the neckline and on the sleeves, which adds that soft delicate touch. Otherwise, the kurta has simple straight silhouette. It has calf length with the straight hemline, but it is made in silk blend fabric, so it has subtle sheen on it, which instantly elevates the whole look. Palazzos are ombre dyed too, and they are fully elasticated, so they are super comfortable for all day wear. Plus, this whole set is lined, so no see-through drama. Again, in the trousers, light shade is on the top, which deepens as you move down. So the whole set flows beautifully from light to dark shade. Now I styled this gorgeous look with my cute pearl jhumkis, this gold bracelet from Lily Origin. For the footwear, my must harbor heels, and I finished the look with my mini waist bag. And you can see how pretty the whole look is. We are wrapping up this haul with this gorgeous green kurta set. Such a pretty note to end on. It is made in cotton blend fabric, so it is soft, breathable, and has that little bit of structure that keeps the outfit looking neat. The kurta has simple round neckline with this keyhole design, and yes, it comes with this inner fabric. So no see-through stress at all. Very wearable, very everyday friendly. And there is this combination of silver and light gold embroidery along the neckline and on keyhole looks really adorable and adds that little pop without being too much. The sleeves are 3/4 in slightly flared design, and they also have the same embroidery detail, which is like a chef's kiss. It's a straight cut kurta which is calf length with straight hemline. Very clean and classic silhouette. The set comes in same green color trousers with fully elasticated waistband, so they are super comfortable to wear and fit is so good. I styled this look with my favorite silver pearl earrings, my new bracelet set from Amazon. For the footwear, my clear heels, and I am good to go. And yes, I finished the look with my mini waist wide bag. And now the look is ready. It is simple, fresh and such a lovely way to close this haul. And that's the complete Varanga haul. Tell me in the comments which one was your favorite look. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye!